Hello everyone, my name is Momo Boba. Today I would like to give you a showcase and a tutorial on my recent application that I just created. It's called the Quizzerp and it's currently in its earliest form. It's version 1.1 and this application is intended to help students or anyone in their studies or anyone in memorizing concepts or hard concepts. So rather than just reading everything that we want to know, we can test them out by using this application. So this application is available in itch.io and it comes in as a zip file and you just need to unzip it, and inside the folder it contains two files, ebm underscore self and main.exe. Main.exe is to run the program itself. There is no need for any installation. You just need to unzip the file. And in the ebm underscore self is the Excel sheet that contains the questions that you need to remember or that you are going to test yourself. So let's say you are studying for a current topic such as the women reproductive health, and instead of just reading everything and say okay I remember everything, you could write the important concepts by using the spreadsheets. And if you don't have Microsoft Spread Excel, you can use Google Spreadsheet. But you have to follow an exact format such as this. In the first row of the spreadsheet, it needs to contain these parameters such as number, question, answer, and source. So, okay, moving on. Let's say I'm currently studying about leiomyomas, and let's say I am skimming through Williams, and okay, I think I need to remember about the treatments of leiomyoma. So I would like to later on, if I am testing myself out for the concepts, I would say what are the treatment for leiomyoma. And the answer is COC or contraceptive pills, observation, agonist GnRH, and etc. And for source, okay, I read this a particular concept from Williams. And let's say after populating these questions until 100 or 200 or up to however much you need to remember, and this is where the application comes to play. Okay, so you open up the application and it's like this, the user interface. There is new quiz, open quiz, and quit. Open quiz is for where there are previously saved quiz, such as first you need to open a new quiz. So you click new quiz. Currently the create quiz directly from the application is still not available. It's still in development. And so you will click output quiz. And so to open the quiz, we will click browse and open the spreadsheet that we just created. But fun fact that I just found right now, a bug, is that you cannot open an Excel sheet or spreadsheet inside the folder that has the application. So I move the spreadsheet outside to desktop and we just need to click it. And once it knows the location of the spreadsheets, it will unload everything, and here it gives us information on the amount of question that is inside the spreadsheet. So it contains 16 questions and we just need to click start quiz. And so, okay, what is the formula for ARR? Let's ask ourselves, do we know the answer? So we first answer it. And okay, it's blah blah blah, and we look at the answer. Oh, did I get this correct? No. If you said yes, then you would answer yes, but if you said no, then you would answer no. And let's just skim through everything. Okay. And once it gets to the final question, it will give you this result panel. And I think this is the most useful out of out of doing the actual quiz is getting feedback. And so from this trial, I have 11 correct answers out of 16. And these wrong numbers were the question in question 8, 4, 15, 2, and 14. And so later on, I would open the spreadsheet again. I'll look at, okay, question number 5 or question number 8. I have gotten this particular question wrong, and I think I need to reread this particular topic. So I would look at the source. Oh, the source is from lecture 10. And then I just need to open up the lecture again or the source and reread it again. And so that is the particular process of using this quiz itself. I hope that this is useful. And the last bit is that you don't need to open the previously uh, open quiz. You just need to click open quiz button inside the main menu, and it's already saved in here. And you can delete it or click start to try the quiz again. So in order for this opening quiz, you don't need to every time you edit the spreadsheet, you don't need to upload quiz again. You just need to you just need to open the quiz from the open quiz option in the main menu. And I hope that this particular application will be useful for everyone.